We interrupt programming at the request of the National Weather Service to activate the North Texas Emergency Alert System. The National Weather Service has issued severe thunderstorm warnings for Tarrant and for Kaufman counties until 12:45. At 9:46, a line of severe thunderstorms was progressing to the east at 55 miles per hour with 60-mile-per-hour wind gusts and small hail. This storm has produced widespread power outages and is impossible to drive through. Once again, a severe thunderstorm warning has been issued for Tarrant and for Kaufman counties until 10:45. All North Texas stations affected by this alert are requested to relay the preceding message.